We getting ready to show mad love to one of my favorite YouTubers. So here's the tea. Why? Ooh, Lace Fronts is like, no, she didn't. We cousins, they cousins, doing the electric slide on back. Honey, this copper ain't playing with y'all out here in these streets. Y'all know that.
Things your wig won't do.
I'm so hyped. What's up, family? It's your girl, Mary Kay. Hey, Mary Kay. Well, I hope everyone is doing good. I hope you guys are blessed, highly favored in these streets. Today is gonna be so cool. We getting ready to show mad love to one of my favorite YouTubers. Y'all know I'ma tell you. Y'all know that. But first, you know, I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. You know that. Bam. Oh, you the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have not done so already, join the family, join the fun. Move. Okay, so here's the tea. There is a young lady named Brittany. You may know her as the Hearts and Cake 90. And she teamed up with MyFirstWig to create her own signature headband wig, and we trying it out today. What's up, Brittany girl? Y'all, I think this is so dope. She is hands down one of my favorite wig reviewers. She's very thorough. It's so funny how I found Brittany's channel. I kept getting comments saying, oh my gosh, girl, you sound like this girl Brittany. She's also a YouTuber. She does wigs. I kept getting these comments, and then I went to her channel, and my first thought was, honey, why am I so late to the party? Why? Because Brittany is off the hook. I love her content. So I was like, yeah. But yeah, she got a country accent. So I think that's... Yeah, I said we just country. We just country. I wouldn't think that there are too many Mary Kay Bella subscribers that are not subscribed to Brittany's channel as well. We probably share a lot of similar subscribers, so a lot of similar family, you know. So we cousins, they cousins, we aunties and uncles and stuff, mama nems, we all family. So y'all, let's get behind her and support this. And I'm so hyped, Brittany. I'm so hyped, Brit. You know you family now when you become Brit. We pretty much cousins now. Let's just jump into it and see, and I'm gonna get myself all together and then we gonna flex it. Okay, so the wig is from MyFirstWig. As you guys know, I have tried a lot of MyFirstWig wigs. MyFirstWig is very high quality human hair, and in the scheme of things, when you compare them to the other high-end vendors, they're really not as high as some of the higher end vendors, but the quality is, okay? So if you are looking to kind of spread your wings a little bit like Troop said and fly away, you might want to holler at them. You might want to holler at them. This is a wig stand that you can get from MyFirstWig as well. The name of this wig is Blossom, and Brittany actually patterned this wig off of a synthetic wig that she really likes. I believe it's from Model, but it's called Pop Blossom. She wanted to create it in a human hair form. So that's what Blossom is patterned after. I'm really excited to try it out, and you know I'm gonna leave her links in the description box so you guys can go over there and show love, all right? And when you go over there, make sure you let them know your cousin Mary Kay sent you over there. The Edge Whisperer that came in the box. This is my best friend.
From the beginning to the end.
This is my best friend right here. Those things is blessed and highly favored. Some headbands, of course. Hawaiian-y, tropical layout in the sun type of headbands. The RPG Show MyFirstWig Edge Control. I have tried this before. It's actually really cool. My wig kit, which has the heavy duty wig clips. I love it. I always do that. Bam. Bobby pins. Rat tail comb, Blossom. The texture is silky. I have 20 inches. My cap size is 1. Get your circumference right around your dome. Get your domologist so you know which size to get. Let me get into this wig, girl. I'm not finna play with y'all today. Ooh, come on, color. Okay, Brittany. Like, this color just popped out. Honey, this copper ain't playing with y'all out here in these streets. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 in the back. Adjustable strap. You have the standard black headband. The sun just came out, so I just got mad bright. So far, I really like the feel of it. It is silky. The curl pattern, I think it's 3A, 3B curly. I'm just so proud. Oh, I decided not to be extremely ignorant on the hairline today. Light swoops, not swoop-a-doops. This is just swoops today, okay? Let me just put this on. I'm probably not gonna put any combs in it for now. Yes, honey. Oh, this is cute already. Honey, you don't even need lace anymore. Goodness gracious. These headband wigs was high.
Things your wig won't do. I won't stop until I hear your lace front scream.
Lace fronts is like, no, she didn't. Y'all, this is so cute. I don't need to do anything. I didn't even realize the sun had come out like this. Y'all, I am so bright. Shining bright like a diamond. Chad, I'm trying. Okay, we're gonna try right here. This color is bananas. This color is so pretty. I'm still just as bright. That's all right. It feels like there's literally nothing on my head. Just check the hairline. It just looks like a natural. Pulled your hair back, put a headband on, went to work, went to the gym. I don't see Brittany creating a wig that you cannot pull back to get out your face. I'm definitely, look at this, doing the electric slide on back. Girl is sliding back because I don't have the combs in it yet, but I'm about to put the combs in it and get my face together. Let's get behind this, y'all. And you know what? As a matter of fact, this is spur of the moment. Y'all know I be spurring in these moments. I am going to choose somebody and I'm going to buy them this wig. I'm about to support my girl. And y'all know we don't talk about it around here. We be about it. It's 100% a throw on and go. You can go to work. You can go to Bible study. You can go to the amusement park. But now, hold on now. Put these clips in. Who else is gonna get behind this sister today? Oh, Lord, I'm about to go. My first wig, Brittany, y'all better do it. Doing the darn thing. And I think that's so dope. Peace, love, light. Bye.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see it. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go.